Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to learn stock marketing full guide. Start by setting clear goals and a study schedule focused on fundamentals, chart patterns, and risk management. Learn vocabulary like bid, ask, market order, and limit order, and compare long-term investing versus short-term trading approaches. Practice with a demo account, track your trades in a simple journal, and review mistakes weekly to improve steadily. Build a solid foundation by studying fundamental and technical analysis together. Focus on earnings, revenue trends, P/E ratios, and balance sheet health for fundamentals, and support, resistance, moving averages, and volume for technicals. Combine both to form trade ideas, and always calculate position size based on a fixed percentage risk per trade. Practice entries, exits, and stop-loss placement in a simulated environment until you gain confidence. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and hands-free reminders, so you can set alerts and play market news while you trade. It's a small upgrade that keeps you focused and organized at your desk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Create a daily routine that supports consistent progress and keeps emotions in check. Start with market news and an economic calendar to spot catalysts, then review watch lists and scan for setups that match your strategy. Use charting tools to mark levels and plan entries, and maintain a trading journal to record your thesis, execution, and lessons. Regular review helps refine rules and builds discipline over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.